German artificial intelligence startup Black Forest Labs' Flux. One AI is outperforming rivals in terms of both creative flexibility and image quality very rapidly. Additionally, the business is working with GrokAI and experimenting with their Flux, one model in an effort to increase Grok's functionality on X. In contrast to other well-known AI picture producers, such as DALL-E and Midjourney, Flux, one seems to have little limitations or content filters. This is in line with Elon Musk's declared objective of resisting what he perceives to be excessive censorship of AI platforms. This summer saw the debut of several new AI technologies that make it possible to produce hyper-realistic images, making it simpler than ever to edit or completely fake an image. According to experts, it's getting harder and harder for customers to tell what is true from phony. Flux. 1. Or Flux, a free AI image generator that was introduced in August and enables the creation of hyper-realistic images without a membership, is one of the most potent new tools available. Meet Flux AI's three faces. There are three varieties of Flux AI, each designed to meet a distinct need. Flux Schnell. This is the basic, quick version. It works well for both local development and personal enterprises. Furthermore, as it is open source, you don't need to worry about licenses when using it for almost anything, even commercial purposes. Flux Dev. This version of the prompt is superior to Schnell in that it adheres more closely to your desired prompt. Although it is intended for non-commercial purposes, it is still open source. Ideal if you want to learn more about Flux's capabilities without becoming an expert. Flux Pro. This is the premium edition, designed for professional and corporate use. For individuals that require precise AI-generated photos, it is the preferred choice due to its exceptional realism and quality output. The spread of controversy. Flux AI has been exploding on the internet, particularly with some of the most recent viral photographs. You could mistake these photos for real ones at first because Laura's adjustments made them look so lifelike. Flux is creating a lot of noise on social media, but like with any AI-generated artwork, there are still some telltale signs, such as the way text is presented or strange textures. Watching Flux AI is absolutely recommended. Its open-source flexibility and realistic image production are already creating waves. Checking out Flux AI is worthwhile whether you're a developer, a hobbyist creator, or someone else searching for excellent AI tools. With resources like these at our disposal, the potential for AI-generated photography appears to be more promising than before. During testing, CBS News discovered that the new program could produce realistic photos of people in well-known settings in a matter of seconds. In contrast to comparable techniques, the outcomes lacked many of the recognizable cues of artificial intelligence-generated photos, like unnaturally smooth skin. The basic technology for generative AI has been around for years, and it generates new outputs by using hundreds to thousands of reference images. In order to get more precise results, users can input a reference image. Additionally, Flux and other tools can produce realistic images of people, animals, and landscapes when given a brief prompt or descriptive statement. An explosion in generative AI. One of the new tools that X, the former Twitter, offered to its Premium and Premium Plus members in August was Grok 2, an image generator. According to testing conducted by CBS News, the chatbot has few restrictions and lets users produce inflammatory remarks, pictures of celebrities, and copyrighted content. The same startup that built Flux, Black Forest Labs, is responsible for creating the AI model that drives Grok 2's image production. Experts claim that Flux is not only incredibly realistic, but also vulnerable to misuse, because it can be freely accessed and altered offline for personal use, in contrast to other internet tools that are typically accessed through a browser. According to Flux's terms of service, users are not allowed to produce content that violates copyright laws, interferes with existing copyrights, or presents artificial intelligence, AI-generated images as human-made. Numerous businesses that are creating AI tools, such as Adobe, Google, and OpenAI, have added limitations to their programs to guard against abuse. According to experts, in a market where competition is fierce, this is not something that should be taken for granted. The issue with Flux isn't so much that it's so realistic. That was bound to happen eventually. That was bound to happen. It's the boundaries. Digital forensics and digital media authentication are Hani Farid's areas of expertise as a professor at the University of California, Berkeley. Experts caution against using an open-source, client-side technology like Flux because it leaves it vulnerable to changes made by a larger user base, which may result in usage that are clearly against the terms of service. The code is physically visible. Additionally, you can download and edit the code, added Farid. How are those other services going to fare? Will people begin to say, oh, I see that guardrails are bad for business? Conceivably, in order to be competitive advantage, we should loosen those restrictions. We are only as good as the lowest common denominator in this company. And it's Elon Musk in this instance, Farid remarked. What will generative AI bring next? Additionally, video generating tools are getting easier to come by. The startup that owns Flux, Black Forest Labs, has stated that it intends to release video generating tools in the future. People should exercise greater caution when watching images and movies online, since this new set of tools can produce images without many of the classic signs of artificial intelligence. When evaluating images, experts recommend using fundamental media literacy techniques. These include closely examining backdrop components and other details, and, above all, considering the source when judging authenticity. Grok makes image generation simple, but to utilize it, you must be a Premium or Premium Plus member on the X platform. All you have to do is click the Grok icon in the left-hand sidebar after logging in. You can then go on to describe the image you wish to make from there. Combining several architectures Flux. OpenAI is distinct from other models due to its special blend of several architectures, which enables it to provide better outcomes. Fundamentally, Flux. OpenAI combines diffusion models and transformers' best features. With this potent combination, Flux, OpenAI can produce photos at a speed and quality never seen before. Neural network-based transformers are particularly good at comprehending and handling sequential input, like text. They provide the accurate interpretation and translation of text prompts into visual representations by Flux, OpenAI. Conversely, diffusion models are adept at producing high-quality images by repeatedly transforming noise into coherent structures. Diffusion techniques are used by Flux, OpenAI, to produce photos with realistic textures and fine details. The fast adherence and quality of Flux. OpenAI is yet another fantastic feature. Simple or complex prompts will yield high-quality images that closely match the input description, according to the model. The prompt, "A cat looking into a camera point-of-view fisheye lens," was utilized by medium user LM Poe, and the results are comparable to those of Midjourney v6. Artificial intelligence's future. Artificial intelligence's future is a popular subject. Some believe it poses a serious risk that AI robots may soon take over the globe. Some think it will usher in a new era of technical innovation and progress. Whichever side of the debate you are on, there is no denying that artificial intelligence, AI, has had, and will continue to have, a profound impact on our everyday lives. The following 10 forecasts rank the potential benefits of artificial intelligence for humanity in the next years. What kind of AI will it be in the future? Many forecasts exist regarding how AI technologies will alter the world in the future. Here are a few of them. AI will be utilized in conjunction with natural language processing to enhance user experience. A subfield of artificial intelligence known as natural language processing blends the intricacy of linguistics with the simplicity of computer methods. Better human-like interactions with AI systems are made possible by this technology, which also makes it possible to develop increasingly sophisticated algorithms that comprehend human language. With so many businesses putting money into this artificial intelligence technology, a groundbreaking new application of linguistic AI will appear. Automation will alter the way that people view their work. Recent research indicates that AI-powered robots can help humans with daily duties and take on professions that are too risky for them. Though they are currently used in construction, manufacturing, and logistics, AI-powered robots will eventually perform additional duties that would normally be performed by humans. According to experts, these machines will be able to drive cars, carry large things, and assist with home duties. Some of these forecasts have been shown in motion pictures, but how many of these will actually come to pass? Science fiction. How to use it to stay ahead of the competition may provide the information you require if this topic interests you. Please use the like and subscribe buttons for additional videos if you like this one. Don't forget to switch on the notification bell to receive notifications when new videos are uploaded.